How to renew Texas vehicle registration online. You can renew your Texas vehicle registration online up to 90 days before it expires, or within 1 year after the expiration date. To start, visit the official Texas Department of Motor Vehicles website at www.txdmv.gov or use the texas.gov portal. You can also renew through the Texas by Texas TXT mobile app available on the App Store and Google Play. Once on the site, enter your vehicle information such as your license plate number and last 4 digits of your VIN, then follow the prompts to complete payment securely. After renewal, your new registration sticker or license plates will be mailed to the address on file, usually within 3 weeks. You'll also receive a temporary receipt that lets you drive legally for up to 31 days while waiting for your sticker. If your address has changed, be sure to update it on TXDMV.gov before renewing. You can also sign up for email reminders at txdmv.gov to get notified when your next renewal is due.